Om Sri Sai Ram. My most humble pranams at the lotus divine feet of Mother Sai. Today we start our computer lesson number 4. First of all, we do the 3 Omkars. Join your hands, close your eyes. Om. 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 Sai Ram. Our lesson number 4 is more on MS Word. More on MS Word. In this lesson, we learn about the MS Word in details. More features of MS Word. In the previous class, we already learned about the MS Word. When you create a Word document for others to read, it should be free from all kinds of mistakes. You can find and correct spelling errors using the spelling and grammar tools of MS Word. In MS Word, one feature is there, spelling and grammar. By using this feature, you can correct your mistakes, grammatical mistakes or spelling mistakes. Checking spellings. The spell check feature of MS Word helps you to identify spellings and grammatical mistakes. In a Word document, a spelling mistake is highlighted with a red wavy line. A grammatical mistake is highlighted with a green wavy line. In your document, you can see the red wavy line, that is your spelling mistakes. And if you see the green wavy line, that's your grammatical mistake. To correct our spelling mistakes, follow these steps. Step number 1, right click on the highlighted word. Step number 2, choose the appropriate word from the menu that opens. Click on ignore if you want to keep the word as it is. If you not want to change, click on the ignore. अगर आपको change करना है तो you can change it. Otherwise, click on ignore. To run a spell check in a Word document, follow these steps. Step number 1, click on the review tab. Click on the spelling and grammar option. In the grouping group, the spelling and grammar English US dialog box opens. If you want to run spell check option, you click on the spelling and grammar option in the grouping group on review tab. After clicking spelling and grammar option, you can see one dialog box is on your screen. That dialog box is like this. In the dialog box that opens, do one of the following. Anyone, if you want, select the correct word from the suggestion box and click on the changes button to replace the word. Click on change all buttons to replace the word throughout the document. Click on ignore once or ignore all to keep the word as it is. You can select and you can do any one option from these 3. If you want to change, you can change it. If you want to ignore or ignore all, change all that options are available, you can use it. When MS Word finish checking the entire document, It displays a dialog box. Click on OK to complete the spell check. When your checking is finished, one dialog box is on your screen like as this. You click on OK to complete the spell check option. Fact file. The autocorrect option automatically corrects a spellings as you type. This option is also available. If you enable this option, the automatic word change your mistakes. Next is thesis. A thesis is a dictionary of words with the same meaning, synonyms, and their opposites, antonyms. The thesis tool in MS Word provides a list of synonyms and antonyms. To use the thesis tool, follow these steps. Thesis provides synonyms and antonyms of your word. To use this option, follow these steps. Select the word. First of all, you have to select the word. Then after, click on the review tab. Then after, click on thesis in the grouping group. The thesis pane appears on the right of document window. The pane displays a list of synonyms for the selected word. At the right side, you can see one pane is there where you can see the synonyms of that particular word, and you can select it. If you want to change, you can select any word. To use a synonyms for the selected word, follow these steps. Click on any of the suggest word. Click on the drop down arrow. Click on insert. To use the synonyms, you have to click on that selected word and click on the drop down arrow, and then after click on insert option. You can also find the synonyms by right clicking on the selected word, then click on synonyms and select the desired word. That is another option to use synonyms of your word. Next option is word count. You can count the number of words in a Word document by using the word count tool. To use the word count tool, follow these steps. Number 1, click on the review tab. Step 2, click on word count option. In the grouping group, a word count dialog box appears showing the details of pages, words, characters, paragraphs, and lines in the document. Click on close to close the dialog box. These options allow you to know how many pages you used, how many words, how many characters with space, without space, paragraph and line you written in your document. To use this tool, you have to click on word count option in the review tab. After clicking, you can see one dialog box on your screen showing all the details of your page, words, characters and paragraph or line. To close this dialog box, click on the close button. Next is find tool. Tina typed a few lines from a story called The Monkey's Heart. Her teacher noticed that she has spelled the word monkey as monarchy in many places in the document. She asked Tina to search for the word monarchy by using the find tool. To search for a particular word, follow these steps. Step number 1, click on find button in the home tab. The navigation pane opens in the left. Step 2, type the word you want to search in the search box. The search word gets highlighted in the document at each occurrence. This tool allows you to find any word in your document. it highlighted the word in whole document. You can easily see. Next is replace tool. Tina now wants to replace the word monkey with monkey throughout the document. She can do this using the replace tool. To use the replace tool, follow these steps. Step number 1. Click on the replace button on the home tab. The find and replace dialog box opens. Step 2. Type the word monkey in the find what box. Step 3. Type the word monkey in the replace with box. Click on replace all to replace the word monkey throughout the document. This tool allows you to replace any word to another word. To use this tool, you follow these 4 steps. Click on the replace option. One dialog box is there. Then after you type the word what you want to find, and then after type the word which you want to replace. And there is option is there. You can use the replace all or one by one also. To replace one by one, you have to click on a replace option. Otherwise, you click on the replace all to replace all word in the whole document. Next option is bullet and numbering. When you make a list of items, you usually numbers the items or put a bullet at the beginning of each item. This helps you to easily distinguish the list from the rest of the text. Such a list with numbers and bullets can be created in a Word document. When you want to create a list of any item, that time we are using the bullets or numbering to easily understand. To create a number list, follow these steps. Step number 1, select the list. Step 2, click on the home tab. Step 3, in the paragraph group, click on the drop down arrow of the numbering option. Step 4, choose a style from the numbering library. You can see in this picture 4.9 creating number list. First of all, select all the list. Then after, click on the number of list options and select the design of style of. Then after, select the style of your numbering. If you want to dot after the number and brackets, and there are different options are there. You can also use the numbers in Roman or ABCD alphabetical. Whatever you want, you can select it. Next is creating a bullet list. To create a bullet list, follow these steps. First of all, select the list. Then after, click on the home tab. In the paragraph group, click on drop down arrow of the bullet options. Then select a type of bullet from the bullet libraries. If you want to give bullets, first of all, select the list. Then after, click on the bullet options and you can choose style of your bullets. There are different styles of bullets. You can choose any one from the bullet library. Next is sorting a list. Tina wants to make a list of guests for her parents' anniversary party. She wants to make sure that names are not repeated. A simple solution to this problem is sorting the list in alphabetical order. In the fact file, a bulleted list is used to when the ordering of the item is not important. If you need to in a order wise, that time you can use the numbering option. If order is not important, that time you can use the bullets. Now we learn about the sorting. How do you sort your list by the alphabetical? To sort a list, follow these steps. Select the text in a bulleted or numbered list. Click on the Home tab. Then click on Sort in the paragraph group. The Sort text dialog box appears. Next, under Sort by, choose Paragraph. Choose Text in the Type drop-down list. Choose either the ascending or descending option. Click on OK. The selected list appears in alphabetical order. By using this option, you can arrange your list by in alphabetical order. If you want to arrange in a ascending order, you can arrange it. If you want to arrange in a descending order, also you can arrange it. That is easy to find the duplication of the name or any word. These are the special and advanced features of MS Word that you learned in this chapter. I will also send a video of practical of this chapter to understand for these features in details. Keywords, thesaurus, a dictionary of words with the same meaning and their opposites. That's called the thesaurus. Synonyms, all of you know, word with similar meaning, that's called a synonyms. Antonyms, words with opposite meaning, that's called as a antonyms. Bullets, a small dot or a symbol used to put emphasis on item in a documents, that's called as a bullet. In the next session, I will send you practical explanation video to understand these features. Now do the Om Shanti Shanti. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Sai Ram. Take care. Thank you.